Hazrat Ali described about good life as Bihusnil khulaq yatibul ash. Life is good with politeness and courtesy. Asharfo istanaul ashirati. Honor is to treat the nation and thrive well. At-tawaddudu nisful aql. Cultivating love is a part of wisdom. He said, Man ahlama lam yufrit amrohu. One who adopts humility and tolerance and don't slack off in his affairs. Wa asha fi nasi wa huwa fi rahatin. He lives a luxurious life among people. Atiyabul aishi al kinaati. The purest life is in contentment. He mentioned Man karumat alayhi nafsahu, in the eyes of which there will be self-respect. Hanat alayhi shahwatahu, he will consider his carnal desires worthless. Fi itizali abna'i dunya jama'u silah, there is every improvement in shunning worldly people. He further described Ahnul Aisha Atrahul Kalf, by removing ceremonious, life becomes pleasant. Aksi al qada wal alami tarza abada. Ignore suffering, otherwise you can never be happy. Hazrat Ali advised Akbarul kulfati tughnika fima la yughnika. It is a great pain that you take on such a burden which isn't worthy of you.